The F1B International Rubber Band-Powered Aircraft Competition is a prestigious event in model aviation, attracting enthusiasts and competitors from across the globe. F1B refers to the specific model aircraft category defined by the Fédération Aéronautique Internationale, FAI, the international governing body for air sports. In this competition, participants design, build, and fly rubber band-powered model aircraft adhering to strict regulations set by the FAI. These regulations ensure a level playing field and encourage innovation within the constraints of the competition. The aircraft in this category are typically hand-launched gliders powered solely by twisted rubber bands, which store energy and release it gradually to propel the aircraft forward. Competitors meticulously optimize their designs for maximum flight duration, often employing lightweight materials, aerodynamic shaping, and precise winding techniques to achieve optimal performance. During the competition, participants are judged based on various criteria, including flight duration, consistency, and control. Success in the F1B category demands a combination of engineering prowess, aerodynamic expertise, and piloting skills. The F1B International Rubber Band-Powered Aircraft Competition allows model aviation enthusiasts to showcase their creativity, technical proficiency, and passion for flight. It fosters camaraderie among participants and promotes the advancement of model aviation technology. Additionally, it offers a thrilling spectacle for spectators as they witness these intricately crafted aircraft powered only by rubber bands gracefully soar through the sky.